Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to design a futuristic robot face manipulation. Start with a portrait of your model, duplicate it and use pen tool to cut out facial sections. Add metal textures inside the gaps. Now apply inner shadow for realistic depth. Then add glowing circuits lines on top using pen tool. Now set those lines to outer glow for neon light. Use hue saturation to give blur or red tones. Blend the skin and metal using soft light smooth. Add reflections using white brush. Add low opacity. Use color lookup for sci-fi tone. Now add a sparks or particle around the edges. Slightly blur background for focus. Your futuristic robot face manipulation looks powerful. Thanks for watching.